Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will tell you how can you write a program to input a string and count number of uppercase, lowercase, digits, special characters in it. So here is an example, like we have Happy New Year @2025. So it has 3 uppercase. Here you can see H and Y, 9 lowercases and 4 digits as 2025. 3 special characters, as here are 2 spaces and 1 at the rate special character. So spaces will also be considered as special character. So let's write a program for it. So first, I want you all to access this playlist and start watching in series. The link is in the description. So now back to the topic. So first we have to take input of a string. So for that I will write here m variable in which I will take input. So I will write here input, enter a string. Here I am also adding a comment, and then I will write here some variables in which I will store the number of uppercase, lowercase, digits and special character. So for that I will write here u equals to 0, and then l equals to 0, then d equals to 0, and then s equals to 0. So these are initialize counters. So then I will write here for loop. So I have written here for I in m. So if I dot is upper, check if uppercase. So then u equals to u plus 1. So 1 will be added to the u. So what this I dot is upper is doing, so it will check if the character is uppercase, lowercase or anything. If it is uppercase, it will add 1 to the u. Means for the iteration, first h will goes to here and it will check if it is uppercase. So yes, it is upper. So 1 will get added to u. And for a, and which is not upper, so nothing is got added to the u, and this will goes on. And then I will write here L if I is lower, check if it is a lowercase, so then L equals to L plus 1, and then in L variable 1 will get added. And as it is for other, I is digit, check if it is a digit. If it is digit, then d equals to d plus 1. And then at the last, we will write here else nothing matches, s equals to s plus 1, means special character. And then we will write all these at the last. So I will write here print total characters. Here I have used len function to know the length of the input string. And then I will write here print uppercase characters which are stored in u, and then I will print lowercase and as it is for all. So here it is. So let's run the program. Okay, so we have to input this string and then we will check what's the output. So here you can see it has total 19 characters, 3 are uppercase which is true, 9 are lower cases which is true, 4 are digits which is also true, and 3 special characters including spaces. So you can also count it. Now let's count for uppercases. So here it is H, N, and Y, which are 3. So special characters are counting as @ is one special character, so it is 1. And then here space is also considered as a special character, so 2. And then here is another space, so this will become 3. So that's why it has written here special character including space is 3. So this is how this program is running. Hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also access the playlist. Thanks for watching.